Which operating system is open source and commonly used in mobile devices? Answer is option B, Android. Which feature is used to copy formatting from one text to another? Answer is option A, Format Painter. What is the default file format for saving documents in Word 2019? The answer is option D, .docx. Which tab contains options for adjusting paragraph alignment and spacing? Answer is option B, Home. Which shortcut key is used to make the text bold in MS Word 2019? Answer is option C, Ctrl B. Which shortcut key is used to duplicate a selected slide in PowerPoint 2019? Answer is option B, Ctrl D. Which shortcut key is used to create a new workbook in Excel? Answer is option A, Ctrl N. What does the count function in Excel do? Option D is the correct answer. Counts the number of cells counting numeric values. How can you freeze pens in Excel? The answer is option A. Click on the View tab and select Freeze Pens. Which chart type is best for showing trends over time? The answer is line chart, option C. Which symbol is used to start a formula in Excel 2019? The answer is option A, equal. Which shortcut key is used to start a slideshow from the beginning in PowerPoint 2019? The answer is option C, F5 function key. Which tab is used to insert pictures, shapes and charts in PowerPoint 2019? The answer is B, Insert. Which Indian law primarily deals with cyber crimes and e-commerce? The answer is Indian IT Act, that is Information Technology Act 2000. Which Google Workspace app is used for collaborate word processing? The answer is Google Docs. Which LibreOffice component is used for creating presentations? The answer is option C, Impress. Which is the main advantage of image optimization? The answer is option D, reduces image size without losing quality. What is the purpose of a system's restore point? The answer is option B, to recover the system to a previous state. What is the purpose of single sign-on SSO facility in Rajasthan? The answer is option B, to allow citizens to access multiple government services with one login. Question number 20. What is the full form of IRCTC? The answer is option A, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Which portal is used to search for your name in the electoral roll? The answer is option A, www.nvsp.in. Which scheme provides health coverage of up to 5 lakh per family per year? The answer is Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Which portal is used to lodge grievances in Rajasthan? The answer is option B, that is Rajasthan Sampark. Which of the following is an example of a digital marketing channel? The answer is option C, social media. Which memory types require constant refreshing to retain data? The answer is DRAM, option B. Which printer use toner and a photo-sensitive drum? The answer is option C, laser. What is the primary role of an operating system? The answer is manage hardware and software resources, option A. Which Windows 11 feature allows organizing multiple open apps into separate desktop? The answer is A, task view. Which internet connection type uses telephone lines but does not require dial-up? The answer is option A, DSL. What is the purpose of DNS server? The answer is option B, convert domain names to IP addresses. Which tool crawls the web to index pages to search engines? The answer is option C, Web Spider. Which organization launched the RuPay card? RUPAY. The answer is option B, NPCI. Which e-commerce model involves selling products directly to consumers? The answer is option C, B2C, means business to consumer. What is the main purpose of Rajasthan Evolved? The main purpose of this is option B, secure digital document storage. Which platform offers free MWCS from IITS?